Hi everyone. This is our house. This is our house that we're having built. Auntie Jeannie and Uncle Walter are helping us to build this house. Not yet done. It's almost finished. This is a home. Thank you, Lord. This is our room. But we don't have a bathroom or a restroom. Only a house. Hi, this is my daughter, Ania. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi. How old are you? How old are you? 2. Very good. She's 2 years old. And this is my sister, Angel. This is our home soon. Thank you, Lord. When this is done, when the house is done, finished, I want to have a mini store or a sari-sari store. That's my dream, so that my child and I can start building our life together. This is our future home. Thank you, Lord.